All right, let's see what they're doing over here now. As they took a break and ate lunch. There's lots of food over there.
100. Nice catch, man. 100, dead or alive?
You got two.
He's got 200 now. Go it over here, one or the other.
Going to Johnny rolling down the hill.
200, dead or alive?
Whoa. Sorry.
400.
400. Whoever gets to 500 wins.
Yep.
And Cole, here comes Josh. Rolling down the hill.
What? Don't walk there again.
He's gonna try it again.
Swallow something.
Oh, they're playing 500 over here.
Swallow something.
Throw me your football, Johnny, and I'll throw it to you.
Where is the football? You got football?
I burned myself.
No, I seen that. I can see it now. After a while.
50, dead or alive?
I got it. I got it. Oh. Mm.
Do it again, Gio.
Where'd Josh go? Oh.
Thank you, Smith.
Go in there and get it, man. High ball. Wow.
Yes!
Close. Well.
Come on, guys. I won't know you get to throw some.
He can't throw. Yeah, he can. No, he can't.
We'll see.
Oh, this thing looks like it's going farther.
Yeah, the wind's blowing it back though. The wind's blowing that way.
It's like 5 people. Oh! That's I almost had that. So did I.
I got it. I got it. Oh.
I got a hand on it. Is that
Yeah.
dead or not? I got 2 hands on it. No.
That was a good one. Almost had it myself. Well, there it is. Oh.
300?
You got 3?
Yeah.
100. Never mind, I got it.
Wow, you got it again.
Trying to get it up high.
Wow, it is high. Wow. Yeah. No. You go down the hill, Josh?
Don't look too bad, you know? Get over it.
No, they're playing 500 here.
I'm like, I'm happy. That's what
So far.
Wow.
Knock it out.
Football. Whoa.
How hard is it? Go. It's not even hard. 100. Oh.
Throw it back.
Hard ball. We're not playing.
Wow.